Hello everybody, this is your Tuesday morning garden update. I'm not sure what week we're in on these. I started most of these back in December. Actually, I started all these back in December. Getting ready to transplant a few of these today. Gonna put some more seeds in the ground today. I've got a little bloom here. The last time I had some blooms, they were falling off. Like I was saying in the last video, I had a bit of a aphid problem. Lost a few over here. It gets cold. Next to this door, it goes outside, I've got to get some caulking and fill that in a little bit more. But this brick also gets really cold. I need to find a way to insulate that. And so I believe that was the reason I've lost so many. But as far as the aphid problem, I'm pretty sure I've got that under control now. Plants are coming back looking a lot better. Healthy, strong, a little leggy. I've got to figure a way to get some more light down to them. Yeah, Anaya says hello. I put this one here, up on this little stand here, which this has been real convenient as far as transplanting and planting seeds and just overall taking care of certain plants. My propagates are doing good. I lost a few. They probably could have been saved, but they were just finicky, a little bit difficult, and so I just chunked them. I didn't want to waste time with that. This one here is the one that I was showing you in the last video that I planted early spring. Well, I didn't plant this. A friend of mine planted this in early spring last year, 2020, and he gave it to me. I put it in the ground, and it didn't really grow much. But I brought it in, and it's my little bonsai. I'm going to get a really cool looking planter for that. That's going to be neat. And the one behind it, that's a propagate. And I forget which one that's from. I'll tag that later. I'm pretty sure it's written on the back there. This is my lemon tree that I planted from seed back in 2020. And my little KSLS in a bottle. This is for the Pepper in a Bottle challenge. The seed was holding on to the seed hole, so I gave it a little help and snipped it off so it wouldn't grow deformed. Let's see if we can see this. Planted January 4th, and it's doing pretty good, I guess. Never tried to grow a pepper in a bottle, so we'll see. And these were propagates that I put into some dirt yesterday. They were already rooting out pretty well. So, and then my Thai basil here. This one's from last year that I've salvaged and somehow have kept alive. You can see how thick-stemmed the first root is. And 2 shoots growing off of that. And these are from the seeds from that plant, one of those plants. And they're already almost as tall. Actually, yeah, almost as tall. A couple more propagates back there. I have a little cactus and what they call I think it's a chick and hen. If that's the name of it, either way that's the name of it or not. That was, I pulled it off a plant that was my grandmother's. And she's been going from us for quite a while here. I've never done this before, so I'm going to try this. This is a poinsettia, and it's in poor health. Poor health poinsettia I'm going to try to bring back alive and see if I can keep it alive. It seems like a fun little challenge. And this little Justin's habanero that I had planted as my buddy, it's the seed. I've not give it great light, so I don't expect it to do much. And well, that's pretty much it. Your indoor garden update 2021. I hope you all have a wonderful day.